Hello dear students, let us begin today's class with an energizer, some activity. Come on, stand up. Make sure that you have space around you. Okay, now listen to the instructions, very simple instructions. When I say jump left, you will have to jump to your left. When I say jump right, you will have to jump to your right. Simple, right? Start. Jump left, jump right, jump left, jump right, jump right, jump left, jump left, jump right, jump left, jump right, jump left. Okay. Now there is a small change in instruction. When I say jump left, you jump to right. When I say jump right, you will jump to left. Start. Jump left, jump right, jump right, jump left, jump left, jump right, jump left, jump right, jump left, jump right. Little challenging, right? I hope you all liked it. Okay. So, what do we do in today's class? Let us do read along. Recently we read pages 14 and 15. Today let us do 16 and 17 pages reading. Okay. But before we jump into reading, let us jump into story recap. Okay. Okay. So, what was Annie doing when Nate reached there? So, what was she doing when Nate reached there to Annie's house? She was eating her breakfast. What was she eating in the breakfast? What was she eating? Yes, pancakes. Which picture did she paint? Yes, she painted the picture of her dog. What was her dog's name? Yes, Fang. How was the picture lost? How was the picture lost? You know, after she painted, she kept it on her desk to dry. Then it was gone. When did all this happen? Annie said it all happened yesterday. Means it all happened the previous day. Now let us continue from there and let us see what happened. Okay. So as we do every time, let me narrate the story first. You listen and imagine. After that you will do read along. You should have called me yesterday while the trial was hot. I hate cool trials. So Nate asked Annie that why didn't she call him the same day when the picture was lost? She actually called him the next day, right? That is why he was asking her, you should have called me yesterday while the trial was hot. I hate cool trials. Probably Nate likes it like that. If something is lost, he wants to come out to the case immediately and he wants to find the things quickly. So that is why he is telling that I hate cool trials. Now, where would a picture go? So Nate asked Annie, where would a picture go? Annie replied, I don't know. That is why I called you. Are you sure you are a detective? Sure, I am sure. I will find the picture of Fang, I said. Tell me, does this house have any trapdoors or secret passages? You know, trapdoors are like, they're not like our regular doors. They're small doors which are fixed on in a corner or on the ceiling so that something can be hidden in that. Or, people use it to escape also. You might have seen in some movies. So, Nate asked her, does this house have any trapdoors or secret passages? No, Annie said. No trapdoors or secret passages. This will be a very dull case. So, Nate felt that that was going to be a very dull case. Then Annie said, I have a door that squeaks. So, it means I have a door that makes noise. So, Annie thought that Nate was speaking something about doors. So, let me say this. And then she said, I have a door that squeaks, that makes noise. Then Nate replied, have it fixed. Get it? Fixed. Okay, this is 16 and 17, these two pages We have just now read. Let us do read along. Okay, this is page 16, which you are now seeing on the screen. As we do like every time, I'll keep moving this pointer below each word as I read it. Okay, you observe, listen, and then do read along. Start. You should have called me yesterday, I said, while the trial was hot. I hate cool trials. Now, where would a picture go? I don't know, Annie said. That's why I called you. Are you sure you are a detective? Sure, I am sure. I will find the picture of Fan, I said. Tell me, does this house have any trapdoors or secret passages? No, Annie said. No trapdoors or secret passages. I said, this will be a very dull case. I have a door that squeaks, Annie said. Have it fixed, I said. Okay, well tried, well tried. You know, these two pages have a little longer words and bigger words. So, practice these two pages 2-3 times. Practice reading. Okay, so now what next? As we read new pages, let us see what is the new vocabulary that we are going to learn today. Vocabulary, okay. Now read. Hot, now, where, why, sure, does. Let us read one more time. Hot, now, where, why, sure, does. Okay, as we do every time, we have learned how to read these words. We are going to write these words in the journal also in vocabulary section. So, what are your learning engagements today? You know, today it is 4th day of the week. So, after this, you will get a weekend in between before our next class. So, practice reading all the pages that we have read this week. That is from 14 to 17. Okay, and while you read, use the reading audio resource which we are providing. Also write these words in vocabulary section in your English journal. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any doubts, write to me. I can clarify your doubts. Okay, happy learning.